Primary 1 Phonics. Unit 5. Sound for W. Key words. 關鍵詞字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics. Here is a wizard. Wizard. This season is winter. Winter. The wizard is walking. Walking. And here is our chant. A wizard walks in winter. A wizard walks in winter. A wizard walks in winter. W is the sound of W. The letter W makes the sound W. Here are some words that start with the letter W and the sound W. The Chinese food wonton. Wonton, like wonton mean. Wind. Here we can see the wind blowing. Wind. D. Wind. Wig. The hair a bald man puts on his head is a wig. You can see some wigs in this picture. Wig. Wig. Wept. Wept is like crying. Wept. Wept. Blending sounds. W makes the sound W. O makes the sound O. And M makes the sound M. Let's blend these sounds together. O, M, Om. W, Om, Wom. Wom is not a word in English, but you can find the syllable wom in the bigger word wombat. And this animal is a wombat. W makes the sound W. E makes the sound E. And B makes the sound B. Let's blend these sounds together. E, B, ebb. W, ebb, web. This is a word in English. A web is what spiders make to catch flies and to live in. This is a web. W makes the sound W. E makes the sound E. And LL makes the sound OO. Let's blend these sounds together. E, OO, L. W, L, well. This is a high-frequency word in English. You can also find it in the bigger word wellies, and these boots are wellies. W makes the sound W. I makes the sound I. And N makes the sound N. Let's blend these sounds together. I, N, in. W, in, Win. This is a word in English. It means to come first, but you can also find it in the bigger word, window. And this is a window. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.